In this video, I'm going to show you the best meal planning apps for your fitness goals. Whether you're trying to lose weight or gain muscle mass, these apps will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. So sit back and relax as I take you through some of the best options out there. You're planning to make dinner for yourself and want to make sure it's something you'll enjoy. You could wing it and hope it turns out well, or you could use a meal planning app to help you out. But which one should you choose? There are so many different meal planning apps available, it can be hard to decide which is right for you. Do you want an app that will plan all your meals, measure calories, and tell you what to eat each night? Or do you want an app that will just give you the recipes? Once you have decided what kind of app you want, the next step is to figure out which one is best for you. Some apps are free, but others charge a subscription fee. Some are only available on phones or tablets, while others are available online or as desktop software. Some apps have more features than others. So how do you choose the best meal planning app for you? It all depends on what's important to you. If price is a factor, there are plenty of apps that are free or have low subscription fees. If portability is important, then choose an app that's available on your phone or tablet. The bottom line is that there's no one perfect meal planning app for everyone. You have to find the one that's best suited to your personal needs and lifestyle. So try out a few different apps and see which one works best for you. If you're looking to get into shape, a good meal plan is one of the most essential aspects of a fitness regimen, and luckily, there are tons of great meal planning apps to choose from. So which one should you choose? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. What is meal planning, and why do you need it? Meal planning is the process of deciding what you will eat ahead of time. This can be for an individual meal or for an entire week. Meal planning can be helpful for a variety of reasons. It can help you save lots of time and money and eat healthier. In addition, planning out your meals ahead of time gives you the option of cooking all your meals for the week at once, so you can freeze them and enjoy them throughout the week without having to cook each night. When it comes to saving time, meal planning can be a huge help. If you know what you're going to eat ahead of time, you won't have to waste time trying to decide what to make or order when you're hungry. This can be a big time saver, especially if you're short on time during the weekdays. In addition, many apps can generate a shopping list automatically, saving time on the extra step before going grocery shopping or setting up your grocery delivery. Meal planning can also help you save money. When you know what you're going to eat ahead of time, you can make sure to buy only the ingredients you need. This can help you save money, so you don't end up with meals you'll never eat or leftovers you don't want. Finally, meal planning can help you eat healthier. When you know what you're going to eat ahead of time, you can be sure to include healthy options that you might otherwise forget about. This can help you avoid making unhealthy choices when you're feeling hungry and exhausted. What are the benefits of meal planning? There are a lot of benefits that come with meal planning. Perhaps the most obvious benefit is that it saves you time. If you know what you're going to eat ahead of time, you won't have to waste time trying to decide what to make or order when you're hungry. This can be a big time saver, especially if you are indecisive. How to get started with meal planning? If you're new to meal planning, it can seem daunting, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Start small. You don't have to plan out every single meal for the week. Start with 1 or 2 meals and work your way up from there. 2. Make a list. Write out a list of all the meals you want to eat for the week. This will make it easier to plan your shopping list and ensure you have everything you need. 3. Be flexible. Things change, and sometimes our plans don't go as we expect them to. That's okay. Tips for sticking to your meal plan. Once you have a plan in place, it's essential to stick to it. Here are a few tips to help you do that. 1. Make sure you have all the ingredients you need. This seems obvious, but it's easy to forget something when making your grocery list. 2. Prep ahead of time. If you can, do some of the prep work for your meals ahead of time. This will make it easier to stick to your plan when you're short on time. 3. Be realistic. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with small goals and build from there. 4. Have a backup plan. Things happen, and sometimes our plans don't go as we expect them to. That's why it's always good to have a backup plan. Whatever your needs may be, there's sure to be a great meal planner app out there for you. Here are a few great choices we recommend to help you get started. Mealime. Some of our favorite features include the ability to create grocery lists quickly and easily based on the recipes you select, streamlined cooking instructions that make preparing healthy meals a breeze, and minimal food waste thanks to their intelligent meal planning algorithms. And that's just the beginning. If you're looking for an app that makes meal planning easy, healthy, and personalized to your specific needs, Mealime is a great pick for you. With over 5 million users and counting, Mealime is one of the most popular meal planning apps available today. Plus, it comes with a host of features and benefits that are sure to appeal to anyone looking to save time and money while eating healthier meals. Whether you're a busy professional looking for quick and healthy weeknight meals, a parent trying to get your family to eat healthier without breaking the bank, or simply someone who wants more control over what they're eating, Mealime is an excellent solution. So why not give it a try today? You might just be surprised at how easy and enjoyable meal planning can be. PlateJoy. If you're looking for a meal planning app that will make it easy to incorporate a variety of nutritious ingredients into your diet, PlateJoy is a great option. With the ability to filter out specific ingredients and customize your menu to fit your preferences, PlateJoy takes the guesswork out of meal planning. Plus, with nutrition facts and serving sizes available for each recipe, you can be sure that you're getting the most out of your meals. PlateJoy makes it easy to incorporate a variety of nutritious ingredients into your diet. The service not only allows you to filter out specific ingredients based on your personal preferences, but it also takes several other factors into account. For example, PlateJoy allows you to customize your menu based on whether you prefer using seasonal produce, how much variety you like, and if you want to avoid pre-cooked proteins or vegetables. You're also able to select specific types of milk, bread, pasta, and rice to ensure that the recipes and shopping list fit your needs. Nutrition facts and serving sizes are available for each recipe so that you can make informed decisions about what works best for you and your family. PlateJoy is a great meal planning option for those who want the flexibility to customize their menus and ingredients to fit their preferences. Yummly. If you're looking for a top-rated meal planning app that will make cooking easy and fun, you can't go wrong with Yummly Recipes and Cooking Tools app. With its stunning user interface, vast feature list, and beautiful photos of dishes, this app is sure to impress. Plus, with its integrated smart shopping list and Yum button that learns your taste preferences, it's sure to become your go-to app for recipes. The Yummly app is easy to use and offers a variety of features, such as the ability to search for particular recipes, dishes, or ingredients. It also has an integrated smart shopping list that makes adding ingredients to your grocery list a breeze. Yummly has a free version. However, in order to access all the features of the app, you will need to subscribe to their premium service. Additionally, the app is gorgeous to look at, but some of the recipes may be a bit too complicated for novice cooks. Overall, the Yummly app is a great option for anyone looking for an impressive cooking app with tons of features. Meal Prep Pro. Meal Prep Pro is another useful meal planning app because it is tailored to your specific goals. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain your current weight, Meal Prep Pro can help make it happen by adjusting the caloric and macro content of each recipe to fit your needs. With a library of delicious, handcrafted recipes that are updated weekly, Meal Preparo makes grocery list creation a breeze so that you can save time and money while cooking healthy meals. And if you're short on time, Meal Prep Pro also offers 4-hour meal prep guides that make healthy eating easy and convenient. Give Meal Prep Pro a try today and see for yourself how this app can help you reach your fitness goals. Our pick for the best app overall is Paprika. If you're looking for an app that can help you manage your recipes and grocery lists, Paprika is an excellent option. It's easy to use and can be customized to fit your needs. Plus, it's packed with features that will make cooking easier than ever before. Paprika is a comprehensive recipe manager that lets you organize and customize your recipes however you like. With seamless cloud sync between all of your devices, importing recipes from anywhere on the web, smart grocery lists, interactive cooking instructions, and a wealth of other features, Paprika is simply the best way to manage your recipes. Meal planning apps can be a great tool to help you save time and money and eat healthier, but it's important to find the right one for you. So take some time to explore your options and find the app that best fits your needs. And don't forget to be flexible. Things change, and sometimes our plans don't go as we expect them to. But with a little planning, you can make sure that you're always prepared. If you need some help getting started, there are plenty of meal planning apps out there that can make the process easier. Do you have any tips for sticking to a meal plan? Let me know in a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.